How to make TikTok dark mode. First, open up the TikTok application. You will then be taken to this home page. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the menu at the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Display option. Then tap on it. You'll notice the light mode has been enabled, but you need to tap on dark mode over here. As you can see, the background display has turned black. There you go. You have successfully enabled the dark mode on TikTok. You can also enable the Use Device Settings option here to match the appearance to your device's display and brightness settings. Following these steps, you can make TikTok dark mode. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.